Hi students, welcome to Sports Marketing. This is a distance education course. We will use OAKS as the primary platform. Now, let me briefly show you how to use OAKS. When you get to the home page of the course on OAKS, you will see right here, announcements and news. If you move to the right, there is a calendar. I will regularly post announcements, reminders, and deadlines on announcements and calendar right here. So please make sure you check your syllabus and the calendar and the announcements. Now, let's move on to the course materials. We start from here, course content. You can always download the syllabus right here. Please make sure you download the syllabus and read the syllabus word by word. If you click Introduction, that takes you to two different files. The first one is a brief introduction of myself, Dr. Shea. My last name is pronounced Shea. The second file is a PowerPoint version of this instruction on OAKS. Now, if we move to the chapters, see here, for each chapter, there are slides that you can download and study. And for each chapter, there is also an assignment. Bear in mind that there is a deadline for the assignment for a particular chapter. Other than the chapters that you have to study, we will actually have two group projects right here. If you click here, that takes you to those two projects. I will assign you to groups, and I will post the project instruction later, so you can come back and download the instruction. And lastly, there is a peer evaluation, and I will actually post the peer evaluation forms later, and you can always download the evaluation form and make sure that you are supposed to submit the evaluation forms by the deadline. Now, the big part of this online course, participation. All students are required to contribute and participate in discussion. The discussion board is designed for students to share their ideas, comments, and of course, for students to participate in discussion. If we go from here, communication, discussions. See here, there are a number of discussion topics. For example, if you have any questions or comments about this particular sports marketing course, you can always click here and post a message. Now, students are required to briefly introduce yourself to the whole class. So you are supposed to post a brief message to introduce yourself. And what you can do is that you can click here and post your message. Bear in mind that there is a deadline for this introduction assignment. The deadline is Saturday, July the 7th. Now, you can also post any messages on those projects right here. For each chapter, students are required to post at least one message. So please check your syllabus for my instruction on participation when it comes to chapter discussions. Again, you can tell that for each chapter, the discussion board has a deadline for you to post any message. If you are not able to post any message by the deadline, the discussion board will be closed. And you can always see the deadline for a particular chapter on OAKS right here. As we know, we do have a number of assignments for individual students and also for groups. After you finish your assignments, you need to submit your assignments on OAKS. This is where you can actually submit your assignments. Click Grades and the drop box. So you can always submit your assignments onto this drop box. Please make sure that you do not submit your individual assignments to the group project drop box. They are very different. We will have a quiz and 2 tests. When you are ready to take the quiz and the tests, you go here, click Grades and Quizzes right here. And of course, you can always start the quiz by clicking on the link. Please also make sure that there is a deadline for the quiz and the tests. And you want to make sure you don't do the quiz or tests after the deadlines. All right. Hopefully this short video gives you a good idea about how to use OAKS for this course. Please let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to working with you this summer. Good luck and see you.